Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, you will learn English through a real-life story. Listen carefully and practice speaking with us. Today's story is about grocery shopping for a family visit. Mark, my parents are coming tomorrow. What tomorrow? Yes, my mom just called. They want to visit us. Oh no, look at this place. It's pretty messy. You're right. We need to clean it, and we need to shop and cook. What time are they coming? Around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Okay, today we clean. Tomorrow morning, we go shopping. Let's go early. Before the store gets crowded. What does your mum like to eat? She likes chicken and roasted vegetables. Okay? Chicken, potatoes, carrots, and green beans. Let's also make a salad, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bread from the bakery, and dessert. Let's buy a chocolate cake. Okay, first thing, chicken. How big should it be? For people, this one is £5. That should be enough. Great. Next, potatoes. Maybe 8. Let's get fresh green beans. How much? £1. Yes, that's perfect. What kind of lettuce? This one, mixed greens. It's easier. Wow, look at the bread. This one looks good. It's called a rustic loaf. What does rustic mean? It means old-fashioned, like homemade bread. My mum will love it now. Drinks, coffee, tea, and orange juice. We should get flowers for the table. My mom likes yellow and white. These daisies are perfect. They look cheerful. Oh, wait. Olive oil. Let's get 1 bottle, just in case. I think we got everything. I'm proud of us. Now we just need to go home and cook. One step at a time. Let's pay first. Now, let's review some useful words from the story. First, crowded. Crowded means a place is full of people. For example, let's go early, before the store gets crowded. Next, roasted. Roasted means food that is cooked with dry heat in an oven. For example, she likes chicken and roasted vegetables. Then we have rustic. Rustic means simple and old-fashioned, in a charming way. For example, this bread is a rustic loaf. Another word is pulp. Pulp refers to the small, soft pieces of fruit found in juice. For example, I prefer orange juice with no pulp. Finally, just in case. This phrase means to do something as a precaution, to be safe. For example, let's get 1 bottle of olive oil just in case. Great job. Now it's time to practice your speaking. Please repeat the sentences after us. My parents are coming tomorrow. Look at this place. It's pretty messy. We need to clean. Let's go early, before the store gets crowded. What does your mum like to eat? She likes chicken and roasted vegetables. This one is £5. That should be enough. Let's get fresh green beans. This bread looks good. It's called a rustic loaf. We should get flowers for the table. Let's get 1 bottle, just in case. I think we got everything. Great job. You practiced listening and speaking English. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next lesson.